Through House by Jim Caumeron Design in Philippines. The Through House project was crafted for a billiards-loving doctor and his two daughters seeking solace away from the city in San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines. Nestled within a gated community of modest plots, the design sought to expand the perception of space on the relatively small lot. Inspired by the success of a previous project, Viewpoint House, the studio aimed for minimal materiality while maximizing spatial potential. The design achieved a calm and liberating ambience by embracing thoroughness in various aspects: space, views, light, ventilation, connectedness, and interaction. The concept began by reimagining the conventional enclosed structure, removing two opposite walls to foster spatial continuity. This arrangement, akin to a stack of alternating planes, informed the layout across different levels, tailored to the site's orientation and requirements. At ground level, outdoor boundaries were delineated by enclosing fence walls, mandated by the community regulations. The entrance, aligned with the concrete fence, offers a welcoming vista of the accent plant beyond, also exposing the rear setback space and rear wall. The living areas seamlessly extend to the outdoors, with the front lawn and formal dining space flanking either side. A double-height dining hall promotes ventilation through the operable windows in the second-floor hallway that draws air out. A continuous bench-like element integrates the swimming pool, enhancing the sense of expansiveness stitching the living area and father's room. Glass walls foster connectivity between spaces, while operable windows promote cross-ventilation throughout the house. Upstairs, horizontal planes serve as room dividers or are segmented to create open spaces. Partial planes act as fins, controlling sun exposure along the hallway. The billiard hall features a pocket garden and a balcony offering views of the front lawn. A protruding cube houses the daughters' common toilet and bathroom, softened by a facade of a potted plant. This was the product of enclosing two planes to make the bathroom private. As a result, it became an accent of the front elevation of the house. Lime-washed walls blur the distinction between interior and exterior, inviting residents to enjoy a living experience akin to a Jenga puzzle, with shifting light and airy atmospheres.